it looks like Spain down here, and I looked on the map and it is like a straight line. There's no land between here and Spain, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be
in Spain.
Basically in Spain. Like look at the trees. These are like Spanish trees.
Spanish roads.
Spanish roads. It's like
blue sky.
This is going to be a proper holiday down here.
There's enough blue sky to make a pair of sailor's trousers up there. Tenfold.
Look at it go. Look, we've even got palm trees trying to sprout out. They look like palm trees, to be fair.
They look like the old Spanish bungalows.
Oh, it's looking good down here. I'm just waiting for like the deserted beaches and all that.
That is where we are.
Welcome to Penzance. Down the car parking space, right by a little harbour down here. And check these trees out. This is what reminds me of Spain. Look, these. We've got another little swamper there. BFG gang.
Oh yeah.
Arches. Oh yeah. Nice. I like that as well. RAC orange. And it's got a nice Fiamma awning on that. We're going to go and find the pub. Obviously, when you arrive somewhere, the first thing you've got to do is just have a pint. Check out the local pint, because that gives you a good idea if the area is going to be good or not. If the pint is bad, then obviously we'll probably leave. If it's a good pint, we'll stay a bit longer. Give that a go. James, what do you think of Penzance so far? Overall,
I'll tell you after the pint.
After the pint, we'll let you know. Contactless, class. Do you see that? He's accepting contactless on his thing.
Really?
Yeah, he had his machine there. I've never seen a busker busking with his card machine. Here we are, 7 stars. Turning up, going to have a nice pint. Now that's a bit of me. It's got a free pool table. Don't see things like that often. It's such an old school pub. They've made us go to the cash point. They don't accept cards, so get some cash out. What local like ciders have you got?
Well, I've got Shane's cider. It makes himself.
Oh, okay.
That's the only one on pump. That's homemade.
Is it nice?
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's strong, but it's nice.
I'll give Shane's a go then.
It is the best cider in Penzance.
Is it? All right. I'll give that a go. There we go.
It's lethal.
Does it make your mouth go numb? You fall over?
Yeah, yes, but it does the job.
Perfect. Definitely.
You having a pint of it then?
Yeah, I'll have a pint of that.
Yeah.
Let's give it a go.
You've got to phone the taxi somehow. For an hour, mate, right?
I'll roll back down the hill.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, it's never the same. As I say, everything like this one. It's never the same. It's always different. Obviously, everybody makes up.
Oh, okay.
So it is actually it's homemade.
So what are you guys all drinking? Shane's?
No.
I got things to do.
Cheers, had that.
Cheers, mate. Let's give it a go. Well, that's smooth, that. It's like
apple juice.
It's like a flat cider, isn't it? Oh well. Thought that is nice.
Are we alright to play pool?
No, no pool table.
Really?
Really?
Oh. What about if we sanitise the queues and the
Only one
balls?
we're not allowed to use at the moment.
Oh, what a shame.
That's
right.
Oh, that's fair enough.
I've only just come back. I've been off 4 months, so I can't drink all today.
You didn't have the virus, did you?
No.
Alright, no worries, we'll sit down and chill.
Thank you.
Cheers. This is a proper strong cider. I've only had a few sips, I already feel tipsy. James is giving it a go now.
You're my peace of mind.
Fuck, mate.
It's alright.
It's nice, mate. You can drink loads of it. Do you want to do it again?
No, I don't care. It's a good tip here. What was we saying?
Healy's Cider Farm
Yeah.
up in Penhallow,
Yeah.
near Newquay, is where you go.
Yeah.
You can try all the free ciders.
Yeah.
They you can try all the ciders for free, all
Try
the
them all.
rums for free, and
Okay.
they've got a self-service cider one.
Wicked.
So you pour your own pints.
Pour your own, okay. That is strong stuff, really good. The lady who works this, she's just telling me, basically, I didn't know this, down this side of Cornwall, there's no Uber, no Just Eat, which is great, like it's really behind like with times. You don't get any signal in this pub, you get no 4G, nothing, and there's no Wi-Fi. If you do want to get internet, you have to go to the windowsill. Apparently a lot of people do queue up on that windowsill over there, right at the far end. or you have to go out in the smoking area. So although obviously we all like technology and use it, in a way I'm a bit against it because I feel like it takes over everyone's lives. So it's good to, you know, come somewhere where they don't have all that technology available. Got legs like Bambi now, can't walk. Cider's done me in. Right, let's go and get a pasty now, shall we? And one last thing, 7 stars, highly recommend it. Get down there, nice local traditional Cornish pub. Like I say, no technology in there, just really strong alcohol, and good, really good service. Really friendly lady behind the bar as well. Stumbled back, try one of these pasties out. I need to line my stomach now after that. God. Apparently there is a butcher's around here that does even better pasties than the place we're going. Might just be healthy competition between the locals, I don't know, but that's what people are saying. I'm going to give this place a go. Mount Bay Pasty Company. I'll bet you one and a steak one, perfect.
No, thank you.
Oh, that is hot. That is roasting. Let's have a quick sneak peek. Look at that.
That the old traditional
No, we don't,
walk-in, walk-out.
you know these places ain't traditional. They say they are, but they're too modern to be traditional. If it's that modern, it can't be traditional. They claim they are. Fellow V-dubber, T5 who? That's a good number plate that, T5 who? I like that. Wait, look at that. Your pasty, what's happened to that? It's got a bit of dribble on it. It's all black. Yeah, we're just down the strip in Los Penzance. Costa del Penzance? Quick pit stop to the van. Just had a good idea because obviously this car park is so flat. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stay in the van here tonight. James said he's going to pitch his tent up up in the bush, just up here. It's free. We don't have to pay for this site. It's free of charge. Obviously, Cornwall Council have said no. We don't have to. After 4 o'clock, the lady told us you don't have to pay for parking in this car park. So if we stay here till after 4, we don't have to pay. Lovely van, this one. Another V-dub, quickly, let's do the sign for him for a laugh. So we're going to go and sit by the harbour, or we're going to find somewhere nice to go and enjoy these hot pasties. I've been walking with this for about 10 minutes now, and I'm not joking, it is still like boiling hot. It's just not showing any signs of cooling down. Oh, this looks quite nice. Look at that. Sit here and chill.
Gone, mate.
You've lost your glasses?
Yeah, fucking wasp.
Got a wasp on me. Right, that's it. It's getting the right hand. Your glasses? Yeah, I'll get them. Hold that. Well, I'll get it. Oh. Really rats down there? Oh, that's lucky. Crabs. Oh, I just found some new Ray-Ban. That is so good. It's lovely. Right, I'm going to enjoy this now, and then I'll record back in a minute. There's like no grease in it. All the vegetables, look at that. Proper job. Check these wheels out on this thing. Is it a Ford Ranger? I thought I had big bolts in my KMC hole shots. What we got here? 33 by 12.50 or 20, so 20, there must be 20-inch rims. 12.50, is that the, don't even know what size they are. All I know is they're massive. If you look how high they come up, I'm 6 foot tall, check that. You see that? I might take a skateboard.
Yeah?
I quite like this colour actually, it's quite nice. Are they all pretty like the same? Have you got any other boards? Are they?
No, these are the ones we got.
Yeah, nice.
They're all our factories still shut.
Oh, okay. I've just been to sessions down in Cornwall. I've got a skateboard. James has got himself a scooter.
And a jumper, as I left my one last
and
time.
they gave us some discount as well, which is nice of them. Bulk buy. Cheers.
Sweet,
Right, we're off. It's all fun and games until you ruin your trainers. I knew I should have bought some Vans. I've done the fluff on them. Right, I've been skating for about an hour now. Good fun. James got his scooter. Sun's out. It's perfect down there. Go and get some food now. Just walking along this little road type thing along here. Nice area though. Really nice. Oh, fell over. Just taking a walk now down to Porthcurno Beach. Sorry, bit of a gravelly track down there. Little bit of a walk, but I've already had a sneak preview at it because I drove to the top of the hill up there. It looks amazing. Just gonna check it out. Check this out. A nice sandy path on the way down. Oh wow, that's taken me by surprise. Look at that. You wouldn't think these places exist in the UK. It's like being on holiday. If I was to have been like dropped off here, blindfolded, I wouldn't actually think I'm in the UK. Oh. That is class. So nice down there. You've got like a pathway up there as well. You can like walk up the top, go across. It definitely warrants a swim. Oh, that was refreshing. It's probably one of the coldest seas I've been in. Take a walk up here. You're going to regret this, mate. Halfway house. You've got a little bit more to go. It's a pretty easy walk up, it's very narrow. You've got to give way to other people, that's the hardest bit. Probably takes about 3 or 4 minutes to get to the top. Depends how fast you go. Certainly not walking back down that way. You're gonna walk around the local roads. Oh, nearly went. That's the top done. Made it to the top. We'll get back down now. Well worth it, it's a good view. I'd give it 9.1 out of 10. That's us all done here. Free parking after 6 o'clock, so if you want to come down for free parking, come down here at 6 o'clock. I'll put the postcode below. So far down, you pick up French radio here.
De l'esprit de décadence.
As Land's End's only a few miles down the road, it would be silly not to go down there and check it out, so we're going to go there now. Here we are. Welcome to Land's End. I think the guy behind's getting a bit annoyed. Is there someone behind? Been waiting there, both taking pictures of a sign. Just got down to Land's End. I've never seen a view like this. This is one of a kind. Hey, that is lush. Just imagine this being like Scotland, like in the Highlands. I think I have to go to John O'Groats next. There's a lighthouse right out there. Not sure if you can see that. I wonder what all these rocks that are plodded about for. They must have had a purpose. You don't get rocks just scattered around like that. There's so many. Something strange has happened here, I think, down in Land's End. Something that we don't know about. Got a whole complex here then. It's like they've got fairground rides and all sorts. Donut stores. Fancy driving away to Land's End for donuts. This reminds me of the Palace Pier in Brighton. It's alright, just not much happening, you know. I'm not going to sit here in line, so I think it's amazing. It's just a wooden sign with a bit of ink on it. No, it's alright. It's a sign, Land's End, the end of the land. Would I come again? Probably not. Was I ecstatic about my visit? No. Worth a go though. As I was down here, I thought I'd check it out. Nice little park up. What you do, you follow the sign for the restaurant, hotel and restaurant, and you quick left. This is probably going to do here. Look at that for a view. Chilling now, having a nice Strongbow dark fruit. Look at that for a view outside of the van. Look at this, look, it's happening again. Moths coming in the van, uninvited. The cheek of it. James is going to stay in the van tonight. He's going to, I think, what are you doing? You're going to sleep upright on the driver's seat?
Sleeping upright.
On
with
not
my legs over the side of the captain chair. Because two blokes in a bed, you just can't, sorry.
This don't work. He's on night watch, so he's going to sit up, keep an eye out, because we're stealth camping. We're overlooking the whole of Land's End. So he's going to be on guard, just making sure no one comes along to either try and rob the van or move us on. But no, on a serious note, yeah, he can't stay out there. It's too windy tonight, so he's going to have to sleep upright on the chair in the front. But yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow, I don't know where we're going tomorrow. We were thinking of going to John O'Groats. We might go to John O'Groats tomorrow. Check that out. It's only, I think it's about 900 miles. Try to do a day trip there, but who knows? I don't know where we're going to go. But yeah, been a wicked day, and see you all later.